Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download Android Studio on your computer. So for downloading that, you have to open any web browser. So now here on the web browser, search here for the Android Studio. So let me search here. So now here is the website of the Android developers. So now click on this download Android Studio. So here you can see we are on the official page of Android Studio. So now click on this download Android Studio. So now here you can see here are the some terms and conditions which you have to accept before downloading Android Studio. So if you want to read them, you can read it out. Now scroll down and then click on this tick mark and then click on download Android Studio. And now just wait till the downloading starts. So here you can see downloading has been started. So it will take a few seconds to minute according to your internet speed to download. So let's wait till the downloading ends and then I will show you how can you install Android Studio on your computer. So now here you can see Android Studio has been downloaded. Now double click it to launch the installer and just wait till the installer launches. So here you can see it is showing welcome to Android Studio. Now click on next. Again click on next. So if you want to choose the another location for the installation, you can choose from here by clicking on browse. So I will let it the same as default. So now click on next. Now again click on install and now just wait till the installation ends. So now here you can see the installation has been completed. Now click on next, then again click on finish and just wait till the Android Studio launches. So here you can see Android Studio has been launched, showing powered by IntelliJ platform. Now click on don't send. So as you can see here, it is showing welcome back. So as I previously installed the Android Studio on my computer, this is showing as this screen, but in your case maybe this screen will not show. Now click on next, again click on next. So now here you can see here are some Android emulator and SDKs which you have to download. Now click on next to download. So here you can see downloading has been started. So after the installation of these, the Android Studio will launch in few seconds. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.